In this video, I am going to show you how to update drivers for Windows 10 for free. Don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Go to drivermax.com. Click Download. Now you can see there are two plans: free and paid. With free you can download or update 2 drivers per day. With paid version there is no limit. You can download and update unlimited drivers. If you want to buy, then link is in description box. But we are going to download free version. Click Download. Once downloaded, install it. Once installation is completed, open DriverMax. Click on Updates. Here DriverMax will analyze automatically and show you drivers related to your motherboard. If driver is missing, you will get download front of it, or if driver is outdated you will get update option front of it. So let's update this driver. It will take few minutes. And that's it. The driver has been updated on my Windows 10 machine. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.